This is real-time air quality index app. This time I made several changes. This is my Genymotion, my emulator for testing App Inventor. And as you can see, this is my first page. And this time I added so this app allows user to read air quality data information from various places. So first, when the user enters the city, Philadelphia, I will add Philadelphia, then they can definitely receive the air quality index data from the nearest real-time air quality index sensor. And if you click this button, it also reads my current location. It also gives me the air quality index based on my location. And this is my current location where I am right now. And this one is a new button that reads data, not from the online website. This reads the data from my Arduino air quality sensor that I just plugged it in and connected with my computer right now. And let's see how it works. If I click this, then I receive this number. So it's in a good condition. It seems like my room's air is fresh. Yeah, so here's a date, current date right now. And here's a health implication, which gives some information about the health based on the air quality, and cautionary statement. Since I have fresh air, there's no any cautions. And this is a button. If I click this, then this will lead me to the primary clinics. But since I have Philadelphia, it will lead me to Philadelphia primary clinics at the map. This one, or let me re-enter it again. Then, yeah, it gives me a lot of information about the clinics. And if I go back, I have this. And this one, cloud, is a new feature that I added. If you click this, then it will open another screen that has city, location, and air quality index information. Takes a time, but yeah, here. So this button allows you to go back, and if you click this button, you can send it to this information through the email. And this one, if you click this, then you can upload it to the Google Fusion table. Let me try this now. Thank you, your data has been recorded. Let's see how it is updated. So yes, right now it's 12:35 a.m. and these were the testing values. Now I have this 28,33333. And when you're done with uploading your data, I can definitely go back and go to another location and collect another air quality index information. And since I have this error, I might need to fix it, but dismiss. And here is my second version of real-time air quality index app. Thank you.